Hey guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. I hope you're all doing good. Just before starting this video, I do want to mention that I'm doing a free AirPods giveaway. To enter my giveaway, simply like this video, plus subscribe and comment below a reason why you want to win. So just follow up my tutorial.
Alrighty guys, in this video I'll show you this amazing way to get taken TikTok usernames using the Tweak TikTok Plus app in less than 5 minutes. Plus the good thing here is you can even sell these OG usernames later. So I'll open the normal TikTok app and I will try to get the username blocks. As you can see, it says it's taken. So now you gotta see the magic using the TikTok Plus app, of course. Let's open it, and as you can see the blocks are available in here, and I have the get button on the right corner. Type the taken username you want and click on it. And boom, the username blocks is mine, as you can see. Here's the account in front of you guys, it's amazing. So now just follow up the tutorial to know how to get the Tweak TikTok app. Before that, make sure you have at least 10% battery, and all you need is a mobile phone or tablet and internet connection. So guys, it's so simple to do. Just grab your phone or tablet, and all you want to do is simply go to the website mytweak.net. Make sure you type it correctly, mytweak.net. So this is a Tweak website which allow you to get a lot of premium hacks and mods. Now in the search bar type TikTok. When you see its logo, click on it. After that, click download now. Now just wait for this process. We have just to wait a moment, depending on your internet connection, of course. So as you can see here, it's preparing the required app files. And all you have to do, guys, is very easy.
Alright guys, after you verified that you're actually a human and you've passed the CAPTCHA completion request correctly, you're going to be able to get your free and it's very easy to do. If you needed any help, feel free to comment below. And as I said guys, free AirPods giveaway. To enter my giveaway, simply like this video, plus subscribe and comment below a reason why you want to win. Have a good day.